Good morning all of you with class children. Now we will go with the social lesson M3 lesson, that is atmosphere wind. Okay, see the picture of this lesson. So before video also you know about this all these things. Okay, before the video I all told all this wind, what is wind and what are the different directions of air flowing. Okay, we have air all around us. It blows in our houses, open grounds, fields and everywhere, but we cannot see air. Moving air is called wind. So we cannot see the air, but the air is around all of us. Okay, wherever, anywhere the air will be. Okay, so wind does many wonders. It brings rain, cold weather and warm too. Okay, see the pictures of the wind is given here. Different directions of the pictures are given here. See in this lesson. So due to gravitational force, rotation, revolution of the earth, revolution of the earth, the wind always blow from one place to another place. The air moves from one place to another place. The intensity of the wind varies from one place to place. Air has pressure, weight and it occupies space, volume. These are the properties of air. What are the properties of air? The air has a pressure, air has a water, air has a pressure, weight, not water. Okay, air has a pressure, weight and it occupies space or volume. Okay, these are the properties of air. Okay, so here atmosphere. See some pictures of the like code words or keywords of the. This is by seeing this. Pictures you can tell that it's logo type, like a cloudy sky, how it looks, clear sky, rains, hailstorm, wind blowing from east to west, wind blowing from west to east, wind blowing from south to north, wind blowing from north to south, cold weather, hot sunny day. So these are some pictures, symbols given below help us understand the atmosphere or weather. Now here in this atmosphere, earth is covered with a blanket of air. This is called atmosphere. What is atmosphere? The earth is covered with a blanket of air, that is called atmosphere. With the help of information on the temperature, clouds and humidity, atmospheric conditions can be determined. What news on the TV to know more about the, so you have to watch the TV. So every day that after completing the news, what they will give? They will give the weather report. Will it be the same that all days? No, it will be changing. For what purpose is it changing? Because of the see here the intensity. See, due to the gravitational force, rotation and revolution of the earth, the wind always blows from one place to another place because of this changes in the atmosphere too. Okay, so here something and say is also given for you. Have you seen the weather report in the table? Given. How was the weather according to you? How many days was it cloudy and how many days was it cold during the last week? Which direction did the wind blow from most of the time last week? What was the weather, cool or a cloudy day? Cool on a cloudy day. Which day did it rain and what type of rain was it? Can we say that it will definitely rain on a cloudy day? According to the report, can you guess the reason? So you have to think about it. In next video I will give you the answers for all this. And do this activity also, children. That is you have seen the above table how to write represent weather report. So here different varieties of weather report you have to collect. In last video also I will show this. So weekly report you have to collect, whether it's a cloudy or sunny day. So you have to collect the report. Note down the details of the weather from Monday to Sunday with the symbols as shown in the table. So you have to make a table. In the page number 98 it's given like that. You have to prepare the table. And you have to mention with the symbols which are given. Atmospheric table. Divide the class into the groups. Ask the first group to note down the details of the first week, second group for second week, third week, like that. You have to make your class members a group wise and you have to weekly wise report you have to prepare. Now see here Group work activity also given for you, that is answer the following using the atmospheric table prepared by you. How many days were cloudy during the month? How many days did you see strong winds? What was the direction of the winds? How many days were sunny or cool? How many days did it rain during the month? Okay, what was the type of rainfall? According to the details observed, guess the what could be the reason. What your guess? Okay, correct. Okay, some now come to the point of seasons. According to the climate, you have experienced a year is divided into three seasons. So by seeing nowadays everybody knowing that in a year we will be having three seasons. What are the seasons are? See here. They, according to the climate you have experienced, a year is divided into three seasons. They are winter, summer and rainy seasons. Let us know about each of the seasons. Seasons occur due to the earth's rotation round the sun when the axis of the earth slightly leans. Okay. So because of the movement of the revolution of the earth, this seasons occurs. Okay. 9. Okay. See the, observe the picture here. What do you see in this picture? See page number 100. Okay. What do you see in this picture? Okay. What are the people in the picture doing? Why are they doing so? What might be the reason? Okay. And group work is, how is the weather during the winter season? What do you do to protect yourself from the cold weather? What type of clothes do you wear during winter? Do animals feel cold? What do they do to protect themselves from cold? Okay, what can we do for them? So here winter season is given for us. Okay, winter is cool in the winter season. Weather is cool in the winter season. We find that even coconut oil freezes. Okay, you can observe in our house also, when winter season comes, our coconut oil will be freezed. Why so? Okay, sunrise is daily delayed and sunset sooner during winter. So even sun also come lately and sets soon. Okay, we like to sit in the sun during this season. Everyone wears colorful sweaters, rugs and shawls. Okay, shawls. People return home as the sun sets. We find comfort sitting in sun. Okay, butterflies sit on flowers. Nightingales sing during winter. Mango trees and start blooming. Okay, blooming, and the flowers begin to bloom everywhere. Nature looks beautiful with all these things. So in the winter season, you can see that coconut oil freezes. And sunrise is delayed. Sun sets very soon, and even we like to sit in front of the sun in winter season. And everyone not everyone, I am telling. So in winter season everyone wear what? Woolen sweaters, colorful sweaters, rugs and shawls. People return home as the sun sets. Find comfort sitting in sun. Butterflies sits on flowers. Nightingale sings during the winter. Mango trees start blooming. Okay, the flowers begin bloom everywhere. Nature looks beautiful with all these things. Okay, children, up to this. Okay, about the winter season. Okay, you think what will happen in the winter season? Okay, and even think for this group activity, and think and answers are also given for you. So once again go with the keywords and the lesson. I will continue with the next video. Okay, meanwhile you have to go through with the lesson. Okay, carefully understand the lesson. If you are not getting, get back to me. Okay, or call me or ping me in the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you children, all of you. Have a nice day. Okay.